Today we're going to compare a pear shader to a thumbprint. That's coming up. Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Reese. This is Weaver Leather Supply. Today we're going to be taking a look at two different stamps and the effects that we get from each of them. We're going to take a look at a pear shader and a thumbprint. You might not even have known that thumbprints are a thing. So the way I'm going to demonstrate this today is we're going to use that same flower pattern that we've used in several videos. It's perfect for showing you the difference between that pear shader and the thumbprint. But the first thing that we need to do is just talk about the difference in the actual stamp, the physical stamp that you hold in your hand. So most of us are familiar with a pear shader. It looks like this. It essentially creates a pear-shaped bowl impression. Now, the difference between that and a thumbprint is used to create the same type of shading, but it's elongated and it's flat on the bottom. It looks like this. Now, the difference in the two, this one's going to create more of that bowl shape, where this is going to create more of a flat compression of the leather. Now, you can still use a thumbprint to create that bowl. It just takes more passes and maybe a little bit harder strike in the bottom of that bowl. So let's go ahead and start with the pear shader. And the thing I want you to notice is how it almost creates a shadow that fades out on the edges. Now let's jump over to the thumbprint. The thing I want you to notice here is that highlighted rim on the edge of the petal. That really goes a long way in defining the edge of the leaf and creating depth. So now I'm going to alternate back and forth between the pear shader and the thumbprint. And I want you to see if you can tell the difference between the marks that the two of them leave, the impressions that the two leave. And reality is it's pretty easy to tell the difference. All you got to do is look at the stamp. The longer one is the thumbprint. The short fat one is the pear shader. But watch the actual mark, the compression and the burnish that it leaves on the leather, and see if you can tell the difference between the two. That's going to do it for this video. I will see you in the next one. In the meantime, go make something amazing.